Good morning. There's probably a really bad bit of continuity there. That's right for this channel. This is a Vauxhall 1440. I've owned it for 20-something years. I came back from the Antarctic on a Sunday. I bought the Vauxhall on the Tuesday and I got a fiance on the Thursday. So it's quite an expensive week. It was a long time ago. I've still got the Vauxhall and the fiance. So I think it was Henry Royce who said, "The quality remains long after the price is forgotten." But I'm not sure whether he was talking about fiancés or Vauxhalls or Rolls Royces. Anyway, it hasn't featured very often because I've had a lot of trouble recording sound and lots of wind noise. Not me. And sort of generally been quite dissatisfactory. But I had an epiphanal moment. In fact, I had two of them. One is I'm recording the sound separately. Secondly is, you'll recall I made this wonderful wooden device to go in the Aeronca recently. In fact, we're going to go for a ride in the Aeronca this afternoon as well. It's a bit of an action-packed day. I suddenly realised this has a 6mm hole through it. If I take the aero screen off and bolt this on the back of the wooden bit here, I can stick the GoPro on that just like I do in the aeroplane, and you can come for a ride. So we'll do that. I normally film everything with a GoPro, but today I'm filming me now on a snazzy new iPad that I bought a couple of weeks ago. It's got lots and lots of brains, so it can store stuff, and it's much better for making films on. So the GoPro's here. I can control it through the iPad. The iPad's on a desperately awful wooden stand that I made last night that clips onto the tripod. In true style of this channel, it was done on the cheap and quickly. It wouldn't be me otherwise. So anyway, it seems to work though. I had a bit of a test with it and it seems all right. Anyway, we have the camera. We can sort of swivel the camera around by loosening these, and you can see me toad-like pooping as we head up the hill and try not to cause too much trouble, I suppose. Prince Charles, no, he's King Charles, of course. Got to get over saying that now. King Charles has got a plant nursery up there where lots of old people go there. None of them can reverse, so going up the lane can be quite fraught at times. We call them Dutchy dribblers because they all seem to be about 700. They're going to the Dutchy nursery and they all seem to be sort of driving Nissan Micras and Honda Jazzes and gently dribbling and probably smelling of wee. Well, wasn't that splendid? Let me know what you think about the camera positions and things. Anyway, time to go and get the Aeronca out, I suppose. on, bottle is set. Let's see what exciting things happen, or bugger all. Is probably what's going to be. Be like that.
That's encouraging.
Yeah. Always when you're running out of daylight, isn't it?
Sod's law.
That was all good fun this afternoon. I'm sorry I left you sitting outside for the whole flight. I was going to put the wooden thing up, but when I got to Bodmin, I got some fuel, and then I was there about 20 minutes, and there were a couple of big showers sort of appearing from the southwest, and I was going in that direction. so I'm afraid it was a case of sort of crank it up and go. So we'll try the wooden thing again another day. I have modified it slightly. This is the wonderful wooden thing I made to hold my iPad that I mentioned earlier. So a bit of wobble vision. There we are. It's controlling the GoPro at the moment I'm filming with. So all it is it's Macrolon on the front. It's 2 pieces of that wonderful kind of bathroom plywood stuff that you can get. That's got a nice sort of finish. There you go. It's all a bit. It went through the bandsaw quickly last night. That's the hole for the camera, and I punched a hole in the iPad cover as well, so I could just leave it on the back. So I can use it to film with. I can use the GoPro to film with. I can. It's quite a jolly effect, isn't it? I can do sort of pretty much everything I want now with the GoPro and with the iPad on its stand. So I'm very pleased with that. And they both got a quick release. So I can swap them over easily on the tripod. And well, that's that really. I mean, it is only a lash up, but it cost exactly nothing. A couple of hours of messing around in the workshop, a few cups of tea, and well, it's all quite satisfying actually. Anyway, as always, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or not. Bye bye.